What's up, Pyros? It's my first stash video for 2022. It's been a while. I've been slacking, but I picked up a few things. Check them out. 200 gram Cool Cat, Candy Crush. Totally awesome. Always gotta get these. This is a new one. Martian Boogie. It's a 2-1. I got a case. Smoking hot. This one, I don't know what it does. I just got it. Can you hear me now? I hear these are real loud. Got this raccoon. Got this 100 shot Savage AF. Got a case of Anarchy Red Box. Case of Right for the Brand. Had to get 2 of them. Sniper. Picked up a few of those. I like the artwork. .200 shot Tsunami. You guys know what it is. And of course, had to get a tres. It's my stash for right now. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks.